Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening what I consider to be my most bougie subscription box. I call it bougie because this is definitely, I think, my most expensive subscription box, and you get a lot of value, and it's curated by Rachel Zoe, who has like really chic bougie style. But anyways, we are opening Box of Style by Rachel Zoe, the summer 2019 box. The box is pretty big this month, or this season I should say. I think it was a little bit smaller for spring, if I'm remembering correctly, but I love the boxes they come in. It has like a magnetic closure and you could reuse them. And it kind of has like a pink tint to it. I like this box, even though I kind of like scratched it with my scissors when I was opening it out of the bigger box it came in. But anyways, so like I said, this box is pretty pricey. It is $99 per season, but you receive over $400 worth of products. And I generally really like what we get in here. We usually get like one skincare item, typically. I don't know, don't quote me, we'll see what we get in this one. I don't know yet. And like some fashion items and lifestyle items. It is pretty awesome. I do have a code for you guys. I will leave a link down below along with the code to save you $15 if you're interested in this. Anyways, yeah, let's get unboxing. When you open it up, it says, "Hello, gorgeous." This box is like so huge I can barely get it into the frame. And then there is a card on top with Rachel Zoe on it, looking good. Box of Style, summer 2019. Inside, there's like a little note from Rachel. It says, "Summer is all about travel, friends, and relaxing outdoors. Style that translates to effortless essentials can be worn with everything in your wardrobe. From a versatile crochet bag to on-trend lucite earrings, every item in this edition is intended to make you feel glamorous and carefree. XOXO Rachel." And then there's like some information and styling tips on all of the items you receive, so I will keep this nearby. And then everything looks like wrapped up in this pink tissue paper. The first thing I see on top is by Missoni Home. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? I think this is a towel. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. It seems like we're getting a lot of towels in our summer boxes, but that is kind of expected, and honestly, I could use more. This is so pretty and soft. Missoni is like definitely a bougie brand, right? I bet this is expensive. Let's look. Oh, and look, you can see the towel on the cover of this. Looks so pretty. You guys, this is $220. That's crazy. Personally, that's not within my budget to spend on a towel, but getting it in a subscription box is like awesome. So it says, "My love for Missoni runs deep. I never have a pool party without draping every piece of outdoor furniture with my extensive collection of Missoni home towels. It's a dream come true to be able to share this obsession with you." Oh my god, these are so pretty, but that's crazy. And then it gives you some styling tips like lay over outdoor furniture for a luxe pop of color, or pack with your favorite sunnies in a chic cover up for a stylish day at the beach or pool. Wow, that's crazy. $220 already is what we've opened. Whoa, okay. Next up, I see something by Glow Skin Beauty. I think I've used something from them before. This is for oil-free SPF 40+ broad spectrum sunscreen. And it says this oil-free formula provides broad spectrum protection from the sun's damaging rays while nourishing hydrators and antioxidants fortify the skin. So here is the outer packaging. You know I love my SPF. I live in Florida and look at look at my skin tone. This packaging, I like it. I have something else by them, like a serum or something, or at least I used to. So awesome. Yeah, it just says apply a liberal amount to the face daily before sun exposure. Cool. So let's learn more about this in the little packet. They say this is the Glow Getter. SPF is a must year-round, but particularly during the summer. This hydrating moisturizer is oil-free, lightweight, and boasts protection of SPF 40. I like that part a lot. So this is retail value of $38, and it says apply before your makeup for added protection from the sun's harmful rays. Awesome. Yeah, here this should be like, SPF should be the last step in your skincare, so like after your regular moisturizer. But it sounds like you can use this kind of as a 2-in-1 because it has hydration in it too, but I probably will use it over my moisturizer before doing makeup, like she said. Ooh, next up might be my favorite item. Let's see. Oh man, you guys, I think this is so cute. This is a bag And this is by Danielle Nicole. I think I've heard of that brand before. So there, you hold it up like this. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it has like crochet. I think this is so unique and cute. What does it say on here? So this is made in India. And then it just says like Danielle Nicole's info. Isn't this so cute? What's the inside like? Oh, there's like some desiccants and stuff. Oh, and there's a strap too if you want to have it longer. I like that. I like having two options. This is awesome. I think this is so cute for summer. It doesn't look like there's any like side pockets inside, but that's okay. Just like a big space in there to keep your stuff. Oh my god, I love this. What do you guys think? I wonder how much this costs. Let's look. So this is the Macrame handbag. Hopefully I'm saying that correct. And this has a retail value of $100. It says crochet is a huge trend for summer. The wooden handles on this on this line style are beyond chic, and we added a crossbody strap for versatility. Awesome. I think it's really cute. Next up is by Machete. I think this is jewelry. We generally get a piece of jewelry every time. Ooh, and these are super cute. I'm kind of remembering now. We had the option to customize this item, and you could have chosen the ones I did, which are like tortoise shell or like white resin or something like that. But I think these hoops are so cute. Can you guys see? I love them. I love the tortoise shell look. Let's read more about it. So these are the Machete Kate hoops that have a retail value of $44. And it says, summer calls for playful earrings. This of the moment lucite style comes in a choice of opal or tortoise and looks great with everything from a caftan to jeans and a tee. It says pair these lightweight hoops with looks for all occasions. And then if you can see here, it shows the white earrings, or the pearl I should say. You can also see them above. So I'm glad I got the tortoiseshell. I think they're so cute. And then the last item in here is by Benefit, and this is their 24-hour brow setter. And unfortunately this is something I can't use because I recently went cruelty free and Benefit is not. But here is what the packaging looks like. I'm not gonna open it because I will be giving this away. If you do not know, I recently hit 5,000 subscribers. I ordered some things in the mail, and once they get here, I'm gonna launch a 5,000 subscriber giveaway as a big thanks to you guys. So I will include this in there. Let's see, is there a tint to this or is it clear? So it says, get set for budge-proof brows. It's invisible. Okay, so it's clear. So everyone can use it. Good. I was like, oh, if it's blonde, I don't know, you know, not everyone could use it, but it's not. So this invisible shaping and setting gel holds brows hairs in place and locks on makeup and on the brows so it doesn't pull a disappearing act. Okay, so it has 24-hour staying power, flexible, flake-free formula, easy to apply, quick to dry. And this has a retail value of $24. It says, people underestimate the power of eyebrows. They literally transform your face. This brow gel keeps them in place flawlessly. And then it gives you some tips and stuff like that. So yeah, that was everything in the box. What do you guys think? So we got this insanely expensive towel, this really cute handbag. I love this. And the towel on this are definitely like my favorite and will probably use the most. Some SPF, which I will always welcome. Oh, and I really like the earrings too. I like this box a lot better than last time, I think. I mean, it's a bummer I can't use the Benefit Brow Gel, but that's okay because one of you guys will get to use it. But anyways, I'm gonna grab my phone and let's calculate the total and see if it really is over $400. So the total for this box, the value is $426. So exceeded the $400 they stated, which I think is awesome. I mean, that towel was a large portion of the over $400. It is really beautiful though, like insane. Like, I love it. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think this is worth it? Do you guys get this box? Again, if you're interested, use that promo code to save some money. I personally love getting this box. It's like something special every season, you know, a little bit, like a little treat to yourself, you know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video.